Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2 chapter number 7, that is about relations and functions. This lesson is equally important for D2, D3 students and the students who are preparing the CIE examination. In this lesson, I will solve intermediate level question number 5. Let's read the question. Question says, given that the function f of x equals to x by 2 plus 3 and g of x equals to 3 by 4x minus 2, first part of the question is find the values of f of 2 plus g of 2. The second is f of minus 1 minus g of minus 1. Third part is 2f of 4 minus 3g of 6. And the next part is 5f of minus 2 minus 7 times g of minus 4. And the second part of the question, that is the B part of the question, says that what are the values of x for which f of x equals to g of x and f of x equals to 17. If we look at the question and compare both parts of the question, we can see here the question that we have to evaluate has given the values inside the bracket. It means that this is the value of domain, this is the value of domain, and we have to find the values of the range for which domain is 2. But if we look at f of x equals to 17, here we are given with the values of image or range, and we have to find the values of x, which is domain. It's important to understand the difference between these two parts and then go for the solution of the question. Let's move to first part of the question. First part is that we have to evaluate the value of f of 2 plus g of 2. Question is containing two different functions, so solve the question carefully. First of all, I have to evaluate a function f of 2, means I have to take the value of function f of x and then I have to put x equals to 2 and my function will take the form f of 2 equals to 2 by 2 plus 3, and 2 by 2 is 1 and 1 plus 3 will give me 4. 1 plus 3 will give me 4. And now g of 2, now I have to take the function of g of x. Now I have to take function of g of x, and g of x is 3 by 4x minus 2, 3 by 4x minus 2. Instead of the variable, I have to replace 2, and this will give me 3 by 4 into 2 minus 2. 2 will be going with 2. 2 will be going to 1s and 2 2s, and I will left with 3 by 2 minus 2. 3 by 2 minus 2. Take the LCM and it will take the form. LCM is one of the most important concepts. So 2, the denominator is 2 and the LCM is 2. So 3, and here the denominator is 1 but the LCM is 2, 3. So 1 times 2 is 2, that 2 will be multiplied with the numerator and my answer will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Now what I have to do, finally I have to find the value of f of 2 plus g of 2. So f of 2 plus g of 2 will be equal to 4 minus 1 by 2, and that is 8 minus 1 over 2, or 7 by 2, or 3 whole 1 by 2. I hope you are clear about this part. Let's move to the next part of the question, and the next part is f of minus 1 minus g of minus 1. So again I have to take the function of f of x. F of x equals to x by 2 plus 3. Now instead of the variable, I have to replace minus 1. So my equation and the function will take the form f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3, or take the LCM. 2 will be the LCM. Minus 1 plus 3 times 2 is 6, and this is 5 by 2. Let it be as it is because we have to solve it further. And then now I have to take the function of g of x equals to 3 by 4x minus 2. And now again I have to replace x by minus 1, g minus 1 equals to 3 by 4 into minus 1 minus 2, and the function will take the form minus 3 by 4 minus 2. Again take the LCM, and denominator of first fraction is 4 and second is 1. LCM will be 4, and the question will take the form minus 3, and here I have 1 in the denominator. LCM is 4. 1 times 4 is 4, so it will become minus 8 minus 11 by 4. Now finally f of minus 1 minus g of minus 1 will be equal to, we have the answer f of minus 1 5 by 2, and answer of g of minus 1 is minus 11 by 4. So what I have to do is my 5 by 2 minus, and this minus 11 by 4, and this will take the form 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4. Take the LCM. 4 will be the LCM. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 plus 11, which is equal to 21 by 4. And now divide 21 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 5 whole 1 by 4. 5 whole 1 by 4. This will be the answer for this question. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, and next part is 2f of 4 minus 3g of 6. Now I have to, if we look at the question, it means that first of all I have to evaluate function of f at 4, and whatever answer I'm getting I have to multiply it by 2. So f of x equals to, the function of x equals to x by 2 plus 3. f of 4 will give me 4 by 2 plus 3. 4 by 2 plus 3, and 2 ones are and 2 twos are, and I'm left with 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. And now 2f of 4. 2f of 4 will give me 2 times 5, means I have to multiply that value by 2, and answer is 10. And let's block the answer or underline the answer. Okay, and then I have to find the answer of 3g of 6, means I have to evaluate the function of g at 6. Now g of x, given function of g of x is 3 by 4x minus 2, 3 by 4x minus 2. And then what I have to do, I have to evaluate it at 6. G of 6 will be equal to 3 by 4 into 6 minus 2. Read the tables and simplify the question. 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. And the question will take the form 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 by 2 minus 2. Take the LCM, and LCM will be 2. 9 minus 2 times 2 is 4. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now what I have to do is I have to multiply that answer by 3, and it will take the form 3g of 6. 3g of 6 equals to 3 multiplied by 5 by 2, which is equal to 15 by 2, and block the answer. Now finally 2f of 4 minus 3g of 6 will be equal to 2f of 4 minus 3g of 6 will be equal to 10 minus 15 by 2. 10 has the denominator 1. Take the LCM. 2. 20 minus 15, which is equal to 5 by 2, or 2 whole 1 by 2. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. And the next part of the question is 5f of minus 2 minus 7g of minus 4. Again, first of all, we have to evaluate the function of f at minus 2, and then whatever answer comes, we have to multiply that by 5, and then we have to take the function of g, we have to evaluate it at minus 4, and whatever the answer comes, we have to multiply it by 7, and finally we have to subtract those answers. So let's take the function of f of x. The question will take the form, the function of f of x is x by 2 plus 3. Now I have to evaluate it at minus 2. So instead of variable, I will replace 2 by minus 2 by 2, minus 2 by 2 plus 3. Now simplify this 2 ones are and 2 ones are 1 times, and I will left with minus 1 plus 3, and that will give me 2. And now 5 f of minus 2 will give me 5 times 2, and which is 10. 5 times 2, which is 10, and block the answer because we have to use this answer in the next part. And now I have to find the value and evaluate the function of g at minus 4. Now g of x equals to 3 by 4x minus 2. This is the function, and I have to evaluate, I have to find the value of this function at x equals to minus 4. So instead of the variable, replace minus 4 equals to 3 by 4 and minus 4 minus 2. Now this 4 can go with 4. Try to learn to make your calculation easy, and I will left with 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2, which is equal to minus 5. Do not forget the role of integers, that when we multiply a positive sign with a negative sign, our answer will be negative, and two integers with same signs, we have to add them up and we have to mark their common sign. And now what I have to do, I have to get the answer of 7g of minus 4, 7g of minus 4, 7g of minus 4 means I have to multiply this answer by 7, and my answer will become minus 35. 7 times 5 is 35 with minus sign. Now underline and block this answer. And now what I have to do, if we look at the question, we have to subtract these two values. Now what we will be doing, we have to write 5 f of minus 2 minus 7 g of minus 4 will be equal to, the value of 5 f of minus 2 is 10, and minus time minus 35. And now minus sign multiplied by minus sign will become positive, and 10 plus 35 will give me 45. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question, B part of the question. And B part of the question says that what are the values of x? What are the values of x for which f of x equals to g of x? It means that here we are going to equate these two functions carefully. And now my question will take the form f of x has the value x by 2 plus 3, and g of x has the value 3 by 4x minus 2. As I need to find the values of x, and we can see that x terms are on both sides of the equation, so it's better to bring all like terms on the same side and preferably on the left hand side and make them the subject of formula. So equation will take the form x by 2 minus 3 by 4x equals to, now 3 is extra here, shift it to other side by changing the sign, minus 3 minus 2. Now in order to solve this equation, I have to take the LCM, and LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. And now I have to check the deficiency of each fraction. 2 times is 4, so the numerator will multiply by 2 and it will take the form 2x. The second denominator and LCM is same, minus 3x equals to minus 5. Now it's better to shift the 4 to other side, and equation will take the form minus 2 minus 3 will give me minus x equals to minus 20. As we need to find the value of x and x should have the positive sign, equation is containing minus sign on both sides, so remove this minus sign, and value of x, as we need it positive, will be equal to x equal to 20. Very easy question. Let's move to the next part of the question. Next part of this question that says find the value of x for which f of x equals to 17. F of x equals to 17. Now in order to find the value of x for this part, we just have to take the function of f and equate it to 17. So equation will take the form x by 2 plus 3 equals to 17. Very easy question. Shift 3 to other side. X by 2 equals to 17 minus 3. X by 2 equals to 14. And now again shift this 2 to other side, which is in the denominator, and when it will appear in the numerator, and on the other side we have to multiply that by 14. 2 multiplied by 14, so the answer of x will be 28. You should have the command on the tables, so the question will become really easy for you. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.